Hey there, I just posted the video on making this box joint jig for the router table, and if you haven't seen that video, I'll have a link in the description. Now I made one for the router table instead of the table saw because I don't like messing around with dado stacks, at least swapping them out. I don't mind using them, but it's a real pain swapping out dado stacks and regular saw blades, at least in my opinion. The router table is a lot easier to quickly change a bit, and this is a pretty small form factor. There's people that make jigs like this. I know Rockler sells one. They can be kind of pricey, so I thought it would be nice to try building one. And overall, it works pretty well. Now, something I think I would change, I did mention in the video too, but just to reiterate, I think the base could be wider on this so that the knob back here for holding it down to the table, you could have two of them on either side. Technically, you could have one as well, but that way the fence doesn't run into it, because this is as much room as you get, which is enough to work, but it would be nice to have a little bit more leeway there. But yeah, overall, kind of happy with it, and it does work. It is a little tricky to get everything lined up, but actually a benefit here on the router table versus a table saw jig that I found was, besides adding an adjustment to the front face, you can actually adjust the entire jig, which can change the size of the fingers for the box joints, which is kind of nice for fine tuning it to get just the right fit. So I thought that was kind of a neat advantage. But I'm curious what you think. Let me know, any issues you see with this design, something you would do differently. Let me know in the comments.